He was the captain of Team India, but inside his own house, well, he's not the boss.
There are some universal truths. I don't know why all the men are laughing. They have a big smile on their face. I can fight with the whole world, but I need my wife on my side.
So where does he like to holiday with his wife?
I'm more of a mountain person than a beach person. So I always argue with my wife. She loves beaches and I'm like 50% of the beaches are the same. Ziva, she's not the phone type. She loves nature. Somehow she's very obedient. I love my hometown. I love Ranchi. I know each and every corner of the city. Somehow I feel the moment I land at the airport and I get out, I feel I've entered my home.
He is one of the richest athletes on earth and he could live in London, Dubai or Mumbai. But MS Dhoni refuses to leave his small town. Why?
I always have a debate. We call it pani puri या fuchka बोलते हैं ना. I feel ours is better than even some of the best places.
Anybody wants to debate that?
A lot of people from Bengal debate it.
कितने खाए हैं max आपने?
Not a lot, 40 piece में.
What? 40 at one go. If you have to design like a 24-hour itinerary in Ranchi.
Litti Chokha is very famous. Our culture used to be more dhaba culture. I used to eat everything. My order was very simple. Butter chicken, one naan, one milkshake. This is in the afternoon. This is at night.
But wait, I found out the one thing that terrifies the man who fearlessly faces 150 kilometers per hour fast balls.
I'm scared of needles. Anything to do with needles, I'm off.
What?
From parenting secrets to the best food spots in Ranchi, we are uncovering the family man behind the legend. This is the grand finale, part 3 of MS Dhoni on Curly Tales.
I'm talking of travel. Do you have a particular favorite place in India or abroad that you keep going back to?
I love my hometown. I love Ranchi. And I said this in an interview also. So 2005, I had a bet with one of the senior players. So he asked me when I'm moving out of Ranchi. And I was like, there's no good reason for me to walk, to shift to any other city. I have an airport. There are flights to Delhi and Mumbai. I can manage and go anywhere. It was like, it becomes slightly difficult in a small city and it's been 20 years now. So the weather is good. I know each and every corner of the city. I've seen the city grow. The city has seen me grow. And somehow I feel the moment I land at the airport and I get out, I feel I've entered my home. So it's not like I have to get to my house.
Yeah.
The moment I step out of the airport, I feel like, this area is mine type. So I have very fond memories and right from school to my childhood to everything. So for me, Ranchi is the place. Other than that, I love mountains. So पहाड़ मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, irrespective which mountain. It can be Uttarakhand, Himachal, even different hill stations. So I'm more of a mountain person than a beach person. So I always argue with my wife and I tell her, she loves beaches and I'm like 50% of the beaches are the same. So she's like, what do you mean? And once the water starts, it's all the same. So only this part, which is the 50% that changes, that 50% is the same. So, but slowly I've convinced her, she also likes mountains. We have a great time. It's not forced, so don't laugh.
But if you have to design like a 24-hour itinerary in Ranchi, which places or which food joints should all of us definitely visit when we come to Ranchi?
Well, Ranchi is known for food. So Ranchi, basically, if you see, it's a very cosmopolitan city in its own way. So, we had a lot of public sector headquarters. So, we had CCL, CMPDI, Mekon, SAIL, Usha Martin is there, Railways is there. So, we have a mix of people, because these were public sector headquarters. So, people from all over came in and then they settled in their own way. So, almost the whole of wholesale market is done by the Marwadis.
Yeah.
Then you have the auto sector and sports, which is done by the Punjabis. You'll find a lot of South Indians, there are a lot of Pahadis, and then you'll have people from Bihar, Jharkhand, everywhere. So you get food, yes, food is brilliant. Bhula ki litti is very famous.
Okay.
So litti chokha, and our culture used to be more dhaba culture.
Yeah.
But what has happened is over the years, different dhabas keep on popping. Previously, when we were growing up, it used to be 2 dhabas, you go over there and not many of the others were as popular. But now what happens is, for every 6 to 8 months or a year, some dhaba is well known for, then that goes down, something else pops up. So still that culture is there. Then there are a lot of small waterfalls around Ranchi. We have an international cricket stadium and Yeah, fooding. I think you cannot go wrong with food. You know, in Ranchi, especially once you turn up, you know, the food is brilliant.
We definitely need more than 24 hours in Ranchi.
And I always have a debate. I feel our we call it pani puri या fuchka बोलते हैं ना. I feel ours is better than even some of the best places.
Really?
So we have that argument. So for chaat and all, you should come and try.
Anybody wants to debate that?
A lot of people from Bengal debate it. And other places जहाँ पे भी फुचका जो हम लोग बोलते हैं गोलगप्पा अगर पुदीना के पानी के साथ मिल रहा है I don't even counter. It doesn't even I don't even talk about it.
It doesn't qualify.
It has to be tamarind water, as simple as that. If there's no tamarind water, pudine ka pani and all of that doesn't count. Sorry.
So do you like pani puri?
Yes, as I said, I used to eat everything, and usually Dashara is quite big in Ranchi. So for 4-5 days, we used to have like a fair, and Fuchka is one of the most well-known things. So 3 or 4 of our friends will start eating. We used to call Golgappas, and if let's say a few girls they come, they're standing, we used to tell them, madam time लगेगा हम थोड़ा ज़्यादा खाते हैं या तो आप घूम के आ जाओ यहाँ खड़े हो के हमें देखते मत रहो because you start feeling bad, you know. And so yeah, we used to.
कितने खाए हैं मैक्स आपने?
Not a lot, 40 पीस में भी.
What?
But
40 at one
but
go.
हमारे समय बड़े होते थे.
मतलब almost 80 समझ लो.
40 piece, yeah. But I never used to have a lot of water. So my favorite was I will dip it in the water.
Yeah. Good idea. You mentioned about eating everything in moderation. Is there anything that you don't keep track and you would like to eat as much as you like?
Actually, over the period, so when I started playing for India, so 2004, I was 24 around that time. I used to eat everything. You give me anything, I would eat, you know. So, and I won't experiment. So when I started, we used to stay in hotels when you're playing for India. So room service you're ordering. My order was very simple. Butter chicken, 1 naan, 1 milkshake. So this is in the afternoon, this is at night. And it's not like I would eat the full butter chicken ka plate. मैं naan लूँगा, I'll just dip it in the gravy, I'll eat. And the milkshake. Now you generally stay in one hotel for like 3 days. So you arrive at a place, practice, play the game, next day you are off. The order was the same every time. So after the third order, sir, butter chicken, naan, milkshake. Yes. And keep it. But what I realized was I used to eat a lot of chocolates and all of that. By the time I was 29, 30, I was like, I have to cut on something. So the soft drinks went down. Then the chocolates went off. Then slowly, you know, the Indian sweets were off. But it's not like I won't have them. I'll have them 3 days, 4 days, you know, I'll have them. But it's not like कि बचपन में जैसे होता था आज मैं 40 रसगुल्ले खा के आया हूँ 40 रसगुल्ले कैसे खा सकते हो? So stuff like that, you know, you can't really do it. So
बालूशाही पसंद है आपको?
I love balusai, you know, and Indian sweets, you know, they're lovely wherever you go. I love jalebis without the rabdi. I enjoy food, but in moderation, as I said. And if I'm still eating, you know, if like people push us when we go, they'll push us. And I feel if I have a extra gulab jamun and if it brings a big smile on somebody's face, you know, why not? I can still burn it out.
Yeah.
You know, so I believe in that. So, you know, be active, help everyone.
You've shot multiple campaigns and pieces of content pieces with Meryl. If I may ask you, which one has been your most favorite one?
When it comes to ad, you know, you want it to have that funny side to it. And even shooting this ad was a lot of fun. I don't know when you want to show it to them, but please do. So my favorite is the current ad, you know, that we worked on. It was an effort. When you see and you go through it, it was an effort, but it's one of my favorites.
Well, before we move on, I think it's time to see the ad that Dhoni has been talking about, your recent one.
It's one of my favorites. And you'll see why it is one of my favorites.
Okay, so are we ready to watch it? Yeah. Okay, then let's play it.
चल बहुत बढ़िया बहुत
तेरा टिंगू 11 हमें चैलेंज किया है
अगले वीक मैच है और तू हमारा कोच
पर मैं क्या सिखाऊंगा? आया यॉर्कर, घुमाया हेलीकॉप्टर।
अब
मुझे समझ आया, दिखाओ ना एक बार। आया योकर, घुमाया हेलीकॉप्टर।
दादी फॉरवर्ड डिफेंस सिखाऊं?
तुझसे कौन डिफेंस सीखेगा?
तेरी कहाँ गया? हाँ दिखाता हूँ मैं।
केवल 5 रन चाहिए जीतने के लिए।
एक बॉल पे टिंकू पार्टी किया ना, चीर के कगार पे।
ये घुमा दिया हेलीकॉप्टर, ये गई बॉल बॉर्डर की तरफ उड़ते हुए। हम जीत गए।
बचपना कभी रिटायर नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जिंदगी की असली खूबसूरती रुकने में नहीं बल्कि चलने, बढ़ने और नई खुशियां ढूंढने में है। और इसी जज्बे को हमेशा जिंदा रखने के लिए मेरिल जिंदगी के हर मोड़ पर आपके साथ थी, ताकि आपका बचपना कभी रिटायर ना हो। I really loved it. That's why I said, this is my favorite ad.
No, now we know why. It's a wonderfully made. बचपना रिटायर नहीं होना चाहिए, right? Across India, millions delay treatment because of, they believe solutions don't exist. There's fear, there's, denial, slow decisions. And that's where this powerful messaging comes. Mahi, you've been a part of this campaign as well, which says treatment zaruri hai. It's less about the product, but more about the mindset, So what is it that appealed you the most about being a part of this project?
Well, I can share my family's experience, so how people are very different. So my dad, he's one of those, periodic checkups, everything will fall on line. He is the kind, so he's 82, 83 right now.
Wow.
And let's say the doctor says 140 is normal. It goes to 145, he's like, call the doctor. Why it has gone to 145?
Wow.
And then my mother, anything happens, chalega yaar, not now.
Opposite.
This, that, yeah. Completely opposite.
Okay.
I am the third person. Yeah, so
We are
you must
curious
be
to know which
thinking, दो
category.
के बाद तीसरा तो हो ही नहीं सकता है. I am the third person. Scared. Scared
okay.
because I am scared of needles. As simple as that. Anything to do with needles, I am off.
Really?
Yeah, so New Zealand, I was having severe back pain. So I didn't play a test match. Then I was with the physio. So physio was like, come, we'll go, we'll do MRI or whatever. I was like, okay, chalo jate hain. We went, he did the test, sab kuch kiya. They couldn't figure out anything. So then he comes back to me like, MS, they didn't find anything. Let's do an isotope test. I'm like, kar lo, hospital to aaye. Then he looked at me. And then he smiled. He was like, इसमें ना इंजेक्शन देना पड़ता है. मैं बोला चलो वापस जाएंगे. And then I went back. Gary Kirsten was the coach at that point of time. So I went back to Gary, and test match was a draw. So by the time they had planned to play football. So I went to Gary. I was like, Gary, this back thing, it's really troubling me. And I'm not sure because it's a test match. It goes on for 5 days. So I don't know what needs to be done. So I was like, I want to play football. So either I will break down, or if I play 40 minutes of football and I'm still okay, which means I can go through 5 days also. He was like, okay, why don't you give it a go? So that's what I tried. But I feel treatment is very important. Also, in our society, we also have that mindset of, अरे अभी तो ठीक है, अभी तो चल रहा है, अगले हफ्ते करा लेंगे, अगले महीने करा लेंगे, बच्चों का एग्जाम है, ये है, वो है. But with body, what I've realized, it keeps on getting worse if the problem is severe. And often we don't know as individual whether it's severe or not. So I'm always in favor of, going to a doctor, getting it checked up. Will I do it? I don't know.
As long as it doesn't involve needles.
If it has to be done, I will do it. So people often think, needle pain, this. And in fact, when my knee surgery was getting done, so this was in Mumbai, and it was morning surgery. So at night, the doctor comes to take your blood for tests and whatever. So a nurse didn't come, the doctor came because the whole hospital knew he's scared of needles. So the doctor comes, I'm sitting like this. So he's sitting, he does whatever band, he takes out the injection. I'm looking at everything. Like, कि सर आप उधर देख सकते हो. मैं बोला उधर क्यों देखूं, मुझे देखना है भाई. I'm scared of needles, but it doesn't mean I want to see what you are doing. So he's like, okay. So he puts it in, nicely takes the blood out and all. So he thought I'll scream at some point of time, create some issue or anything. Nothing. So after getting done, he was like, sir, but आप तो ठीक हो. मैं बोला, I'm scared of needle, doesn't mean I'll scream and do anything. ये तो रात का हो गया. And now when they put anesthesia in the morning, again the same thing. अब इस डॉक्टर ने उसको नहीं बताया होगा कि he's okay, he's scared, but he's okay. So now I'm lying there. So he's putting, I don't know what they call it, the long one, IV needle. So I'm like this, and I get up to see. नहीं सर आप पीछे हो सकते हो आराम से. बोला मुझे देखना है यार, I want to see what you are doing. So again the same thing happened. It gets repeated, but so I'm still scared. If given a chance, I'll still run. I've never been stitched in my life. I've got cuts. I've never been stitched. The only time I said yes for an injection was when I thought that I'll get a few stitches and the doctor said no, need tetanus ka shot lena padega. I was the happiest. So, but recommending, if you go by my recommendations, I feel we should go for regular checkups.
Yeah.
They used to say when you are 40, after that you should. I feel that age has come down because we have lost a bit of fitness when it comes to our society as a whole, the kind of food that we eat and all of that. So 30, 35, depending on how you look on mirror, it will give you a very good picture. Go for periodic checkups. There's no harm in it. And prevention is better than cure. If you can prevent something, why not?
There's also this line in the campaign which says, "Aapki takleef sirf aapki nahi hai."
It's a fact. If, let's say, if I was slightly more younger, if my father has a problem, my mother has a problem, I have a problem.
Of course.
And we all have gone through that in the sense, your mother would have had fever at some point of time. Simple. Father would have got fever at some point of time where it's high fever, and all of a sudden you see the world changes around you. So it's not only your problem, yes, and we're talking about cough and cold. Now if you take it further and if it's a bit more serious, then it has a big impact on the whole family and the people who all are around you. So
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's not only your problem, it's everybody's problem.
You did mention about how your father and your mom are like stark opposites, right? Father, kuch thoda sa bhi ho jaye, he'll immediately look for a course correction. He will fix it himself. Your mom on the other side, which I believe most of us are like, we'll keep delaying it. जब तक तकलीफ बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं बढ़ जाती, we'll keep bearing the pain. If you're in a situation like that for your parents or anybody in your family, how do you then convince them to actually go for a treatment?
I just send them for a treatment.
You just send them.
Because I realized when I was young, when I was a kid, let's say I have a problem, they would throw me to the hospital. Now it's my time to give it back. They have a problem, they have to go. Because again, we all love the part where our parents make a lot of sacrifices for us.
Yeah.
And I feel it's our time now to make sure, like my mom and dad, they're still the older generation, so they'll always be worried about 100 different things than themselves. So there comes a time when you take that call saying, "Nahi, aap ek kaam karo, gaadi mein baitho, baki sab ho chuka hai." So you don't even tell them what needs to be done or kya ho raha hai. You just send them because it is important.
Yeah.
As was the time when they were pushing me, to different things. So I feel that call needs to be made, and it's a good call to be made.
But are you someone who goes for regular checkups now? No. भेज देते हैं. अरे यहीं पर है हम, यहीं हो जाएगा.
My excuse is, we play a sport, so 40 is said to be the time. I can delay it. Maybe 50 is the time for me, but I feel you know what you are eating and how active you are. The body tells you, it gives you symptoms, but no harm in getting regular checkups done. As you start aging, the proximity of the test or the duration is slightly lesser, but no harm in checking. And at least close to 40, you should get a checkup done. At least it will give you as to what you need to be worried about or not be worried about. Then, you can always take a call, when your next test should be, whether it's in 1 year's time or 3 years' time. That depends on, how well conditioned you are.
Quick rapid fire round then. Paddle or soccer?
Paddle. My knee doesn't support soccer.
You know you can get it replaced, right?
No. यार गाड़ी नहीं है कि रिप्लेस कर लूं. अभी बहुत अच्छा है, काम कर रही है. I'm waiting for the new technology.
Okay.
I just saw it. I'm waiting for it.
Dal makhni or butter chicken?
Butter chicken.
RD 350 or Harley?
350.
Batting or wicket keeping?
Wicket keeping.
Captain Cool or Mahi?
Mahi.
We're going to ask you a few questions about Meryl. Now, India has grown from 150 to roughly 4,500 TAVI procedures annually. Out of these, how many procedures has Meryl supported? So, option 1 is around 500, option B is around 3,000, and option C is around 4,000.
3,000 is a safer bet. What do you think? Huh? Is it 3,000?
You're right.
You know, this was a standard answer of ABCD में answer नहीं पता है तो you start eliminating. ये तो definitely नहीं हो सकता है, ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, ये थोड़ा chances ज़्यादा है. How am I supposed to know the exact number of surgery? But well done.
Very well done. How many countries do you think Meryl operates in? Now, I have said this many times today. Okay. Option A is more than 50 countries. Option B is more than 100 countries. And option C is more than 150 countries.
More than 150?
How are you getting these right?
I'm good in the elimination, I said. So either you know the answer or you start eliminating what you think is.
Did you know that Meryl has installed the highest number of knee replacement robots in the country in the shortest span of time? Yes or
Yes.
no? That's wonderful. We'll now open it to the audience to ask few questions.
We haven't seen you too much with the mobiles. Is that a good thing that you are not using any mobile? And second is, how do you manage your daughter at home, Ziva? Is she also too much on the mobile?
My mobile habit, I'm not great on a phone, you know. I'm more of an in-person kind of a person, so I need to look into the eyes and speak because I don't know the expression. So when you're on the phone, you're like, hey, hi, how are you? The other guy may reply, you know, yes, how are you? And he may be saying to his friend, yeah, इसने वापस phone कर दिया यार, क्या करे 5 minutes. So I need to have that eye contact. I feel very awkward talking on a phone, and I really take a long time to break that barrier. So there may be a few people with whom I'm regular on the phone. I may not think about it, but otherwise I'm not great. I'm decent with messages, but not great when it comes to calling. That's why you would hardly ever see me. You know, I have a public life, so more often than not I'm moving around. You'll hardly see me with a phone, you know, held on to me. When it comes to Ziva, she's not the phone types. She loves nature. So most of the times when she's not studying or when she doesn't have her classes, she likes to know about nature. So she'll all the different species, this, that, all of that. So I don't stop her. She knows her timings. Somehow she's very obedient. So let's say if she's playing with her cousins and you know in the next 10 minutes she has a class, she'll just say, okay, I have a class, I'm going. So she's very obedient that way, and touch wood, you know, we never got challenged or you know fact checked by her. You know, she's very disciplined. She slept the right way. She never got up crying. You know, that's one of the main things because we used to travel with her. Imagine in the flight and all, you know, they're sleeping, they get up, they start crying. Never. I don't know what Sakshi did to her. She would sit in the plane. So you get the seat belt sign. So somehow that will be on. She would put the seat belt, and she won't move till the seat belt sign doesn't go off. So that was a very interesting thing because that's the time when the children they keep moving. So she has not troubled both of us. So you know we have been blessed that way.
I'm just wanting to understand. आप फील्ड पर तो कैप्टन कूल हैं ही, घर पर कैप्टनसी कौन करता है?
You know, there are some universal truths. I don't know why all the men are laughing. You know, they have a big smile on their face. So देखिए घर में आप प्राइम मिनिस्टर हो सकते हैं, बट घर में ना इन योर हाउस होम मिनिस्टर इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन द प्राइम मिनिस्टर बिकॉज a peaceful home is one of the most important thing to do. You know, I can fight with the whole world, I can deal with 1,000 stress, but I need my wife on my side. That peace is the most important thing. And Somebody asked me, if your wife asks you a question, what's the answer that you give? So 90% of the time I say, I give an answer so that the next question doesn't come. It doesn't have to be right or wrong. Now, depending if it's a serious question, then I have to. But most of the time, me and my wife, I am in that banter mood. Because I know if I keep answering, she'll keep questioning. And the problem is after 3 days, she'll ask the same question. So it's not like if I give a proper answer, it's not coming back. It will come back. So they will call the batsman back because in white ball, you can't get stumped.
That was a wonderful conversation with the Captain Cool, but now it's time to felicitate the senior most employees of Merrill Life Sciences.
Yes, sir.
कि कुछ सपने हमारे पूरे हुए हैं, कुछ आपके भी पूरे हुए हैं, पर बहुत से सपनों का हिसाब अभी बाकी है। अभी तो सिर्फ 2-3 पन्ने लिखे हैं, लिखनी अभी पूरी किताब बाकी है। Thank you all. Thank you, Mahi. It was wonderful. Thank you.